Oh look, it's the camera.
It's the game. The game's back.
We're back.
Sit.
Ooh. I don't know if I can do this. No, no, you got this. You got this. I can't. Okay. This. Oh. We can. One more time. Oh, yeah, one more time. Easy. Yeah. Ready? Up. Come on. Oh. Here you go. That was easy. I didn't even try.
Girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Boom.
We are Walmart, guys. We're gonna go buy our Coke, so we're gonna do those crazy challenges that everyone's doing, and we'll see how we do it. My boy. Ooh! Alright, just grab him. Alright, we're here. Ooh! That. Alright, so the one that we dropped, we're just gonna throw it. Alright. Yeah, we're just gonna eat it. Alright, wait, shake it. Come on.
That's scary. Ready?
Well, shake it as much as you can.
That's enough.
Just go, just book it. Oh! Yo, grab it, just throw it, just launch it again. Yo, just throw it, just don't. Oh! Yo. Oh! Yo, what just happened, bro? Alright, so the first one that we dropped, we already messed up, so that's why we threw it. Alright, so I guess I've never done it before and I haven't even researched it, so we're just gonna try opening it, taping it. Oh.
They good?
Yeah, you want one?
Nah, I'm chilling.
I said you want.
Okay, sorry. Okay. Thanks, G.
Alright, oh shoot. Alright, make sure it's at home.
Perfect.
Alright, I mean, I guess this is how we do it. Dude, if we mess up first try, dude, we better book it, because this car, I ain't gonna get this car today. Alright. Oh my god, dude, this ain't going out right. Okay, that's one. Let's put 3 in each.
Yeah, I think that's a buffer.
Oh. Alright. Dude, how the hell? I think this is how you do it. Oh, I'm an idiot. How is that supposed to? You know what? Hold up. Okay, so we're gonna tape it like this. Alright, this is how we're gonna tape it, right? The suspense is real. Oh!
Oh no.
Yo.
Don't let it fall. Not just yet. There you go.
There we go. Alright, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna take everything out of my damn pockets. Alright, ready?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, watch out.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, it's ready. Let's go. Oh shoot, another car.
Oh, damn it.
Hold up. We ain't trying to get caught doing this. Yo, this is gonna launch. Where's the car?
Oh, it's gone. I think it's gone. Yeah, let's go.
Get close. Not too close. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh, bro.
And throw it as high as you can.
Run.
Oh. Woo. Oh, right there, perfect.
Oh, crap.
It doesn't taste too good. Anyways. Oh, dude. You got this. Ah, you messed up, man.
I got it. No.
This was the biggest fail of our life.
And
This is depressing.
very.
All right, so it didn't work, so we went back and we bought more. And you know, this time we're actually gonna try it at my house on the concrete, because maybe the street isn't working, that's why. So let's give it a shot. All right, we just did 5 of these, 5 more. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna do this one, all right? Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Dude, it's already making
Oh
sound.
yeah, I hear.
Let's go. Follow me, quick. Bro, this is perfect. I'm kind of nervous. This is my own house. No one's gonna get mad at me. Come on. You ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh no!
Oh, what happened?
Bro, it just blew up. It's still leaking. Okay, perfect. What the? Oh my. Dude. Okay.
What?
Yeah, that's not gonna work. You know what? At this point, I don't even know if this challenge is real. Those are all photoshopped. I don't care what you guys say. Dude, it doesn't even like want to work. Maybe it's because it's cold. Okay, this is hard. Like me. All right, let's ready. Okay. I gotta do this perfect, all right? Okay, you know what? I actually didn't even try throwing it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, what the? Oh. I hate this chinchilla. Yo. Dude, this challenge is annoying the hell out of me.
Same here. It won't fly.
What the? Yo, I swear these things are invincible. Okay, you got a chance right there. Do it. Throw it up. What the? Yo.
I'm gonna throw it hella high.
Hey, don't buy these from 7-Eleven. They're way too like crazy. I don't know what's up with the. Oh my. Oh. Yo. That dude, mid-air. Did you see all the foam, bro?
I saw
That thing was like, holy crap.
Yo.
I don't know how to explain this to my mom, seriously. Not only did I use her car.
Just wash it off.
Okay, so we're gonna try putting more Mentos, but I don't know if this is gonna fall. If it falls off, one falls in there. Dude. Oh. Whoa,
What?
it ate it. Okay, we're good.
Alright.
I don't think this is gonna work. We're gonna have to go so fast. Yo, you want me to try it?
Just. Oh, you got it.
Okay. Yo, okay. Send it, dude. Just send it. Go.
Damn, boy. Here. I got it. Here.
All right, go.
Ready?
Yep. Holy. Yo, that was a bomb. That was a bomb.
Oh my gosh. Yo, that wasn't even right.
You know what? It wasn't what we expected, but hey, that was straight cool. That was pretty cool.
Oh,
That thing just blew up.
gee. Oh, the whole thing.
Damn. So next time, brothers. And ladies, of course, because I like those.